Did you know that 65% of millionaires have at least 3 streams of income? If you're looking to build wealth without working 24/7, passive income is the way to go. Today, I'm sharing 3 passive income ideas and easy skills that can help you make money online, even while you sleep. Stick around because this could be the game changer you've been waiting for. Let's dive in. The first passive income idea is selling digital products. Once you create a digital product, you can sell it repeatedly without any additional effort. Here's how you can make money with digital products. Create ebooks, write an ebook on a topic you're passionate about, and sell it on platforms like Amazon Kindle or Gumroad. Design templates, create and sell resume templates, social media kits, or website themes on marketplaces like Creative Market or Etsy. Online courses. Record a course on a skill you know well and sell it on platforms like Udemy or Teachable. The best part? You only need to create the product once, and it can generate income for years. Ready to learn how to get started? Here's where you can begin. Here's how you can create and sell digital products. Free tools. Use Canva for designing templates or Google Docs for writing ebooks. Paid tools. Invest in tools like Adobe Creative Suite for advanced designs or Camtasia for recording courses. Sell on platforms. Amazon Kindle, perfect for selling ebooks. Gumroad, great for selling digital products directly to your audience. Udemy, ideal for selling online courses. Once your product is live, you can earn passive income with minimal effort. Now let's explore the second idea. The second passive income idea is affiliate marketing. By promoting other people's products, you can earn a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. Here's how you can make money with affiliate marketing. Choose a niche. Focus on a specific niche like fitness, tech, or personal finance. Promote products, share affiliate links on your blog, YouTube channel, or social media. Earn commissions, get paid every time someone buys through your link. The average affiliate marketer earns between $100 to $10,000 per month, depending on their audience size and niche. Want to know where to start? Here's what you need to know. Here's how you can learn affiliate marketing. Free resources. YouTube channels like Income School or blogs like Smart Passive Income offer great tips. Paid courses. Check out platforms like Udemy, affiliate marketing for beginners, or Skillshare, affiliate marketing mastery. Join affiliate programs. Amazon Associates, perfect for beginners. Share a sale, great for a wide range of products. ClickBank, ideal for digital products. Once you've set up your affiliate links, you can earn passive income with minimal ongoing effort. Next, let's dive into the third idea. The third passive income idea is print on demand. With print on demand services, you can design custom products like t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases and sell them without holding any inventory. Here's how you can make money with print on demand. Create designs. Use tools like Canva or Adobe Illustrator to create unique designs. Set up a store. Use platforms like Printful, Printify, or Teespring to create and sell your products. Promote your store. Share your products on social media, blogs, or YouTube to drive traffic and sales. The best part? You don't have to worry about shipping or inventory. The print-on-demand company handles everything for you. Ready to learn how to get started? Here's where to begin. Here's how you can learn print on demand. Free resources. YouTube channels like Passive Income Kevin or Print on Demand Boss offer excellent tutorials. Paid courses. Check out platforms like Udemy, Print on Demand for beginners, or Skillshare, Print on Demand Mastery. Best platforms, Printful, great for integrating with Shopify or Etsy. Printify, perfect for a wide range of products and competitive pricing. Teespring, ideal for beginners with no upfront costs. Once your store is set up, you can earn passive income with minimal ongoing effort. Now, let's wrap this up with some final tips. Congratulations. You now know 3 passive income ideas and easy skills that can help you make money online: selling digital products, affiliate marketing, and print on demand. Whether you're a beginner or looking to diversify your income streams, these strategies are beginner-friendly and can help you build a sustainable online income. Here are some general tips to succeed. Start small, focus on one idea, and scale as you go. Be consistent, show up every day, even if it's just for 30 minutes. Keep learning, stay updated with the latest trends and tools in your chosen field. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss tomorrow's video where I'll share how to create a winning freelance profile. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.